Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the case and SIM tray to relieve any pressure. This exposes visible damage or bends. Next, inspect the screen edge-to-edge for hairline cracks or moisture. Those cause flicker. Once done, boot into safe mode to determine whether a rogue app is driving the glitch. Safe mode disables third-party apps so you can isolate software versus hardware. If the display stabilizes in safe mode, you know the issue is likely app or driver related. Now move into deeper diagnostics. Update the phone's OS and display drivers through settings because outdated firmware often mismanages refresh rates and touch controllers. Then run a hardware diagnostic app to log artifacts, dead pixels, or refresh inconsistencies. Note whether issues appear in patterns or random spots. If you're comfortable opening the phone, power off and reseat the display connector. Loose flex cables cause intermittent glitches. Make sure to ground yourself and use the correct screwdriver. A careful reconnection often restores stable contact and behavior. If connector reseating and software updates fail, the final step is replacing the display module. This fixes damaged drivers, burned pixels, or failing touch layers. Before any swap, back up your data and prefer authorized parts or a certified repair center to keep warranties intact. Once replaced, recalibrate touch and check stability. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've backed up first. Troubleshooting tip. If glitches are intermittent, test under different temperatures. Thermal issues reveal failing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.